Working with Alpha. Anywhere applications and encountered an ADB file. This is a database file from the Alpha Anywhere Rapid Application Development Platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with these files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange NF2 formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. NF2. Files are data files created by NeverForget personal information management software, used to store contacts, appointments, tasks, notes, and important reminders. They consolidate personal organizational information into a single database file for use by the NeverForget desktop application. NeverForget NF2. Files use a proprietary database format containing structured records for contacts, calendar events, to-do items, journal entries, and reference notes. The format supports multiple data categories with field definitions specific to the NeverForget application's organizational features. Windows registers the NF2 file as an opener for NeverForget, developed by National Creative Registry. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. Let's make the file accessible. Right-click your NF2 file and choose Open With. Start your test with NeverForget if available. If not, select another listed program and continue trying. When your NF2 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This format is tricky. Since the NF2 file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, opening the file. Launch. NeverForget on your computer and use File then Open to load the NF2 data file. The application displays your stored contacts, calendar, events, tasks, and notes within the main interface, providing access to your personal information management data. Next, backing up the data. Create regular backup copies of your NF2 file to prevent data loss from system failures or accidental deletion. Use Windows Explorer or macOS Finder to copy the file to an external Drive cloud storage location or backup service for safe long-term preservation of your personal records. Finally, migrating to modern software. Export NF2 file contents to standard formats such as CSV or iCalendar using NeverForget's export options. Import the exported data into modern personal information management applications such as Microsoft Outlook, Apple Calendar, or Google Workspace to continue managing your information using current platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.